Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mr. Chris with Infotainment.com. Today I'm going to be showing you the Perimeter Plus installation for a 2019 to 2021 Ford Expedition, as well as the 2020 to 2024 Ford Explorer. This is going to be just basically trying to show you where that gateway module is to plug in the pass-through harness that's included. It's a pretty easy install, pretty straightforward, so let's get into it. All right, so now we're in a 2021 Ford Expedition. This is going to cover your 19 through 21 model Expeditions. Basically, we need to access the gateway module, which is right behind the OBD2 port. So you don't technically have to pull this panel down, but this is a better way for you guys to see this. Here's the OBD2 port. Right on the back side is the gateway module plug. Right there, and that is where you're going to install your pass-through harness. Plug that side into there. We'll plug this end back into our gateway module, just like that. And now basically you can install the alarm anywhere that you think it would fit. I'm going to have the alarm brain sitting on the back side of this bracket, aiming downwards, so that this adjusting screw is really easy to access, going straight up right behind here. You don't have to put it there, but that's where I'm going to install it. So if you're looking at it, basically just like that. And the included zip ties give you plenty of options because they're very long. We'll snap this back up, and then the remainder of the wires I'm going to go ahead and zip tie up behind here. And that's all she wrote for the Expedition. Very simple installation on the Expeditions. All right, so we're in the 2020 Plus Ford Explorer. This is going to be your 6th generation Explorer. We're going to be doing the Perimeter Plus like we have on the previous vehicles, and I'm going to show you where the gateway module is for this vehicle. Now, the prior generation Explorer, it was right behind your OBD2 port. In this vehicle, they kind of threw us a curveball in here, and they put it way behind the other side of your fuse panel. It's not going to be anything that you're really going to be able to see with your eyes too much. You're kind of going to have to feel around, but I will get it on video. I'm going to get up underneath the dash. Basically, what you're going to do is follow the brake pedal up to the brake pedal switch, and it's right above that. You're looking for the same plug that we have in all of our vehicles connected to the gateway module. It's going to be in this orientation. I usually just stick my arm up in there, grab it with my thumb, pressing that switch down in the middle, and then pulling straight back. That'll pop that right out. And there is enough slack on there so you can pull the whole thing down so you can get a little better view of it. Once you have it down, plug in your T-harness, plug the other end of the T-harness back in, and then you have lots of length here where you can route and mount your alarm brain for that Perimeter Plus. So once we have this installed, the remainder of it is just like all the other alarms that we've installed thus far. So let me get into that now and show you how to unplug this harness. All right, so where we're going to be looking is right above our brake pedal. If I follow this brake pedal all the way up here, you can see right here we have our brake pedal switch. It's going to be right above that brake pedal switch. This is the harness that we're looking for right here. It's hard to see with the naked eye. If you feel right above this big switch, which is actually really easy to get to, you just stick your hand right above it. That's it right there. Easiest way to do it is to press with your thumb and pull out at the same time, and that'll give you your gateway harness here. So all we have to do is plug the T-harness in between this line here, and that'll give us our output for the Perimeter Plus alarm system. All right, so that wraps up the install. As you can see, it was super straightforward. Just a couple of pass-through harnesses that you're plugging in, and the install is basically done. This is going to give you peace of mind with that added shock ability added to your vehicle, as well as the remote start function if your vehicle currently doesn't have remote start. So if you like this video and you want to see more just like it, be sure to head back to Infotainment.com. Thanks for watching.